If you want to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 by using the recovery mode, then first of all we need to prepare a USB cable and we will have to connect our phone to our computer. So let's just do that straight away. There we go. Now we need to turn our phone off. So I'm just gonna go to the quick settings panel. And then here in the upper right corner, we can tap on the power button and then we can power off. And then wait for the vibration. Once you feel the vibration, you want to press and hold power and volume up button. And just keep holding these two buttons. Now in case after 15 seconds nothing happens, while holding these two buttons, you can release both of these buttons and then press them one more time right after that. So if the Samsung logo does not appear, then we're gonna release and press both buttons again. There we go, now we have the Samsung logo, and just keep holding, and now we are in the recovery mode. Now we can actually remove the cable, we don't need it anymore. And we should be able to use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. Now we are looking for wipe data / factory reset. And once you have this option selected, you can press the power button in order to confirm. And then over here, go to factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. In case you go back to this main menu of Android recovery, you will have to reboot your system. So make sure that reboot system now is selected and press power button to restart your phone and go back to the normal mode. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.